The last thing I want to do is cook. Your husband needs lunches. Think, Tara, think. I know. I'll use my Instant Pot. I literally threw everything in the Instant Pot and it did the work for me. Now my husband has 5 lunches for the week. For spices, I'm going to use this Fajita Seasoning that I got on Thrive Market. It is not perfect. It does have sugar and maltodextrin, but it is gluten-free. Use whatever spices that you like. I'm also going to use green beans. My husband absolutely loves green beans. Use whatever kind of veggies that you like. We have our white rice and chicken already cubed up. Then we're going to grab our Instant Pot. We're going to set it to saute on high. When it says hot, this is crucial, guys. Then we're going to add in our oil. A great hack is to lift up the liner and swirl it around to evenly coat the bottom. Then we're going to add in our chicken. And we're just looking to get some color on the chicken. We're not looking for it to be perfectly cooked at this point. Of course, I'm drinking a dry red. And once the chicken has developed some color, it's time to add in our water. We're going to add in our rice and our green beans. Something I forgot to mention, make sure you rinse that rice really well. I rinsed it about 3 times. You want to get that excess starch off. Then we add in our fajita seasoning or whatever seasonings you're using. Make sure the bottom of that pot is really scraped. Deglaze that pot so you don't get the dreaded burn signal. Also make sure everything is submerged under the liquid. Then we're going to close the lid, press cancel on the Instant Pot, set it to high pressure for 4 minutes. We're going to allow 10 minutes of natural pressure. Then we're going to perform a quick release. You see that it started spraying all over, so I'm just using a cloth to catch some of it. And when the pin drops, we're going to open up the lid and fluff our delicious rice. It is so satisfying to have a meal cooked so easily. And guys, this is the money shot. I'm gonna grab our meal prep containers. I use glass meal prep containers. That way my husband can warm it up in the oven, the toaster, the microwave, his warming lunchbox, whatever he's using. The only thing we have left is the taste test, my absolute favorite part. Make sure I get some chicken, some green beans in my bite. Give it a try. Guys, this is so flavorful. How easy was this also? The last thing I felt like doing today on this beautiful Sunday afternoon was cooking. I literally threw everything in the Instant Pot and it did the work for me. Now my husband has 5 lunches for the week. You could add some cheddar cheese to this when you're heating it up. I think I'm gonna grate some and give it to him so he could bring it with him in his lunchbox, because then he can just put it on top, put it in, he's got a warming lunchbox. You could also put it in the toaster or the microwave, melt it on there. You could add like a little drizzle of sriracha on top of this if you like. He's not gonna do that, but if you like it, if you enjoy super easy recipes just like this one, be sure that you are subscribed and hit that notification bell. It really helps my channel. Share this video with a friend or family member that you know is having trouble meal prepping. Maybe they just don't think they have the time. Nobody's got the time. Throw it in there, press start, and there you go. 5 lunches or dinners for the week. How incredibly easy. Guys, I hope you give this a try. Thanks so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.